To a TVJ News follow-up now. The start of the hurricane season has heightened worries for landowners in Clarendon who told us last month they unwittingly purchased lands in a flood-prone area. The Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation has intervened in some cases, but purchasers are still not comfortable. June 1, the start of the hurricane season, brings anxiety for many. More so for people in Clarendon, some of whom recall the June flood of 1986, which killed dozens of people. Well, residents who unwittingly purchased lands on Chang Avenue in the parish, an area commonly referred to as the Pond, are growing increasingly worried. In May, Chairman of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, Winston Mirage, explained that they were barred from building as the area floods when it rains. We spoke with Mr. Mirage again, who says the situation has not changed.
However, what we are seeing is people have been dumping their property, raising the elevation of their lots, and they have been appealing to the minister with responsibility for lands. And so far, one application, the minister have signed off on it, and I am aware that there are 2 other applications pending at the moment.
But some purchasers are now appealing for a building approval.
It's not a bad thing for an appeal, but for me, it's not ideal because the place is still going to flood after everything, and then.
This purchaser is seeking some intervention as she still has a National Housing Trust mortgage to pay while still paying rent. She says she understands the municipal corporation's stance but needs help.
They have done their work in that they went around there and they see it after numerous times after the rain falls, so they know about the situation. So I don't think it's a good idea for me to build around there because it's going to be a lot of problem.
With the minister signing off on the building, Mr. Murad says the matter is now out of the hands of the municipal corporation. But dumping and building is not an affordable option for some.
I can't afford to build around there because it's very expensive. It's going to be very expensive to dump up that land and all of those things. I don't have that kind of money. I got a grant from Housing Trust. I'm a low-income earner, so it's very difficult.
A representative from the Office of the Prime Minister, which oversees the ministry responsible for lands, promised to look into the situation, but still has not commented on the matter.